2 add 4 minus 2 add 2 minus 1 minus, answer is 6. 4 add 2 minus 1 add 3 minus 5 add 2 add, answer is 7. 1 add 3 add 5 add minus 3, answer is 6. 5 add 3 add minus 3 add 3, answer is 8. 2 add minus 4 add 2 minus 1 5 add, answer is 6.